Stop it. What are you going to do with it? You're going to teach your brother how to use it?
Yeah. Okay. You hold it like this, and then you put your hand out, and you scoot it out, and then you take something up. And see? See how you use it? And you eat it. Okay? Give me your 2 fingers. These 2 fingers.
We will return to San Francisco in just a moment. Niners win 36.
And give me your thumb. Thumb into this hole. And then it goes up and down. Move your hands up and down. Mommy, he was using it!
Whoa, did he pick something?
No. Okay, this is how you use it.
Manhattan Appliance and Sleep Source at 302 South 4th in downtown Manhattan is the place to go for your next appliance purchase.
And Kaika got 2.
2 more spoons?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's my apple?
Are you ready to eat?
Who is this?
Yep. Okay, let's eat. Say bye-bye.
Bye.